What a difference 24 hours can make here in Galveston Island, where we saw the worst of Beryl moving in yesterday morning. By yesterday afternoon, everything was calm, so the recovery process is beginning. And I think what is going to be the big calling card from Hurricane Beryl is the wind damage. Yes, a lot of cosmetic wind damage, but it's the damage to the power infrastructure. You go to the west end of the island and it's mile after mile after mile of snapped power poles. Now the power crews, they're here, they're working on trying to restore the power, but the problem is the heat is on, and we'll see a lot of temperatures soar into the triple digits as far as what it feels like both today and the rest of the week. I'm McCollum on Galveston Island, the Weather Channel.